How to disconnect WhatsApp from Instagram. Remove Unlink WhatsApp from Instagram. Prereqs. Business professional accounts only. You'll find Contact options under Edit Profile. If you don't see it, convert to Professional account first. Profile. Menu, Settings and Privacy, Account Type and Tools. Switch to Professional account. Steps. Open Instagram. Focus lands on the home feed. Use one finger swipe right or left until you hear Profile tab or your profile name, then double tap. On your profile, swipe to Edit Profile, double tap. Swipe to Contact options, double tap. Swipe to WhatsApp, it may announce your number, double tap. Swipe to Remove Number or Unlink WhatsApp, double tap. Confirm by swiping to Remove, Unlink, OK, double tap. Two-finger scrub to go back. Confirm the number no longer speaks when you focus WhatsApp in Contact options. Tip: if you used a WhatsApp link in your bio or action button, remove those too. Profile, Edit Profile, bio or action buttons. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.